All right, guys, welcome to the severe weather briefing for the storms that are possible tomorrow, April 11th, 2016. So currently, the Storm Prediction Center has put some of us in a slight risk zone and some of us in the marginal risk zone for severe weather. I just turned on county so that you guys can see. What you guys cannot see is that the very northern tip of Harris County has also been clipped by a slight risk. It also includes the northern half of Liberty County. I don't know what county that is west of Montgomery County. I know I should know better. But yeah, so everything north of the very northern part of Harris County, the northern half of Liberty County, and all of that county west of Montgomery County, sorry, I don't know what happened there, is in the slight risk zone for tomorrow. If we go to probabilistic, I'm going to turn off counties for this. If we go to probabilistic, you see that the main threat for severe weather is over in the Arklatex region. That is the hatched area. That is the possibility of some very large severe weather. So yeah, they have more to worry about than we do. Now, if we go over to the models page, this is the Cape forecast for tomorrow at about 7 p.m., which is when I think we have the greatest chance, although it could be a bit earlier, like around 4 p.m. Let me scroll back there, in fact, to 4 p.m. This is the model run from about 1 p.m. So it's fairly new. Not all of the it's not available for that far out yet, but thankfully it just became available for tomorrow, which is what we care about right now. So the severe threat could last. The window I'm saying right now for severe weather will be about between 4 o'clock and 8 o'clock tomorrow night, which is when peak heating is, peak daytime heating. And the problem and the reason why the slight risk zone ends where it does, I completely agree with this, by the way. Sometimes I disagree with the Storm Prediction Center. Those of you that follow my Twitter account know that. But I actually agree with them for once. And the reason why I do and the reason why they did that is because there will be a cap. And cap is warm air aloft. Okay, so for thunderstorms to form, or for severe to form, but thunderstorms too, there needs to be some instability, which is warm air on bottom, cold air on top. Cap is when there is warm air on top, which is either as warm or warmer than the air down on the surface. It is really hard. In fact, it's impossible for thunderstorms to form under those conditions. I was actually surprised when we got rain last week because there was a huge cap in place, and there is still a cap in place, which is why we are not seeing any thunderstorms until probably tonight. There won't be much instability to work with for the showers and isolated thunderstorm that's possible tomorrow morning. There will not be any instability with that. Those will not be severe. Do not worry about those. The severe will probably not start until tomorrow. Tomorrow afternoon. All right, going to the NAM models, which is what I'm going to be using for CAPE now. CAPE, as I explained in my last briefing, stands for convective available potential energy. Sorry, I had a problem there. All right, the NAM model is actually, I can't believe I'm saying this, but the NAM model is less relentless than the GFS model is. They're both not really that relentless, but typically the NAM over forecasts things. But I actually think it is under forecasting right now. Let's go to the SIGTOR model, the significant tornado parameter. All right, it's about where it was before. I don't know why the CAPE is so low. All right, it's doing what I think it should for Liberty County. All right, here is a sounding for the northern half of Liberty County for tomorrow. Those of you who know weather. For don't, I will transcribe it for you. It is saying that there is a chance of a weak tornado. There's also a damaging wind threat and a hail threat. So basically all modes of severe weather are possible. And I think it'll be like that for mainly across the region, even south of the 10 freeway. I don't think they'll get much severe weather, if any. I don't think south of the 10 is going to get any severe weather. They don't really need to worry about anything. All right, I am going to be switching into Storm 1 radar here. All right, looking at Storm 1 radar, we have quite the storms between Lubbock and Wichita Falls right now. They are severe. In fact, there are a couple more severe storms pulling up southwest of Dimmitt, Texas, and there is one just west of the 27 freeway by Kafir, Tulia, and Happy. In fact, a severe thunderstorm warning just expired for that weaker storm now that's about to hit Nazareth. But at the same time, this storm and this storm are both become severe. The severe thunderstorm warning is going to expire for this. But yeah, so anyway, this is the same system right here that will probably be affecting us tomorrow. I don't expect us seeing any supercells. Multi-cell severe storms are what I am thinking for right now. Okay, so thank you for watching this severe weather briefing. And remember, if we have any threat of severe weather and I am here, which I will be here at Storm 1 Central tomorrow when the severe storms are possible, unless they occur between 3 and 5, I probably won't be available then. But anyway, if they occur past 5 o'clock, I will be here at Storm 1 Central, and I will for sure start a live broadcast if things start to get dangerous. All right, thank you for watching this, and hopefully I will not see you tomorrow. Hopefully things do not turn out so that I have to come on the air, but if I do have to, then I for sure will. Please be sure to follow me on Twitter at htx_weather. I will provide constant updates on any developing weather situations. I also do give daily forecasts on there. So thank you for watching this, and to my Twitter followers, I highly appreciate it. Thank you for watching, and goodbye.